हेलो बच्चों, ये 7th क्लास का होमवर्क है। इसको आप सब लोग लिख लीजिए। यहाँ पे आंसर दिया हुआ है और एक चीज यहाँ पे, ये जो सम है ना, ये अभी नेक्स्ट अगले क्लास का है। यहाँ पे गलती से दिया हुआ है। आप बॉदर मत कीजिए इसके बारे में। ये सब अभी झूम करो, पॉज करो और पूरा आंसर आपका सही है या नहीं देख लो। मैं आगे बढ़ूंगी। अभी ये 7th क्लास का होमवर्क है। ओके, लिख लो, जूम कर लो। एक सम छोड़ दो आप, अगले इसमें फार्मूला में आ जाएगा। हाँ, अब तक आप लोगों ने टिल 7th क्लास व्हाट यू हैव लर्न स्मॉल फ्रेंड +4 +3 +2 and +1. Okay, these are all formulas you have learned, but I have taken here only one example as a one for these all. I'll explain those once again. And this is +4 +3 +2 +1 already you have learned till 7th class. Okay, so now today I am going to teach you in 8th class. In 8th class I am going to teach you -4 -3 -2 -1, but today only in 8th class I am going to teach you this -4. Okay, before that I will little bit explain this. I will revise this +4 +3 +2 +1. Okay, if it is long gap, go and study the 7th class once again. Go and study the 7th class once again. So now see here, in small friend +4, fourth friend is 1, so +5 -1, this you know. And 3, three's friend is 3 finger you have to fold. How many fingers are open here? 2, so +5 -2 is the friend of 3. 2 also, if you don't know who is 2's friend, 2 finger you have to close. How many fingers are open here? 3 fingers are open. That means 2's friend is 3 -3. That we have to do -3. So all friends you have to do minus here. 5 is common. Why 5 means 5 finger we have to open. That's why this 5 I have written there. Okay, this is a formula. Take down this. +1. So +1 means one's friend is 4. So see here. Bachcho, concentrate. So +1. One's friend is 4. So one's friend is 4 means 1 we cannot do, means what we have to do? +5 -4. So this I will explain. This have more examples I have given in the last class. You open your notebook and see it. So I will teach you only one example today here. For these all 4, I will take only one example so that you will remember. It will be revised for you. So now, if 4, how to do 4 now in abacus? If there is 0, I can do directly. If there is 0, directly like this I can do it. Isn't it 4? If abacus value is 0. If my abacus value has got 1, 1 plus 4, I want to do 1 plus 4. So how to do 1 plus 4? So first here 1, 1, 1, 1, complete abacus, you practice it. So 1 is there. After that 4 I have to do. How to do 4? Here I cannot do 4 because only 3 bits are there. I am in problem. I told you no. I am in problem means what I should do? I should remember 4th friend. Why? Because I could not do 4 means I should remember 4th friend. 4th friend is 1. So +5 -1 like this. +5 -1. Hold pencil always. In your small abacus while doing this, you have to do like this. 1, 1, 1, 1, +5 -1, +5 -1 like this. I am showing you. Both at a stretch. +5 -1. Do you remember this? From our hand movement is, remember this point. Our hand movement is coming from up to down. Up to down like this. Not down to up. Up to down. So +5 -1 like this. +5 -1. I did simple. I did +5 -1. So this, I hope you remember this. Now 3. I am going to take 3. How to do 3? My answer is 5. So here 3's friend is 2, -2. I have to do -2. So here whenever there is 0, my abacus value is 0, that time I can do directly 3. Whenever there is 2, I can do directly, I cannot do directly. When there is 1, I can do directly 3. When there is 2, I cannot do directly 3. So, whenever there is 2 plus 1, here I will take 1 second. This example I will take 2 plus 3. 3 I am going to do. When there is 2, the problem comes here in this case. So when there is 2, the problem comes here. When there is 0, I can do directly 3. When there is 1, I can do directly 3. But when there is 2, I cannot do. If suppose 2 is there, I cannot do one more 3. 2 I did. Then 3 I cannot do directly. Directly I cannot do means what I should do? I am in problem. I should remember 3's friend is minus 2. So my hand movement is from up to down. This you remember. For plus friends, small all this plus small friend you have learned. For a plus small friend, your hand movement should be from up to down. Like plus 5 minus 2, plus 5 minus 2, plus 5 minus 2. Formula is there, see. Plus 5 minus 2. Like this, all examples, different examples I have given you, that you practice from the 6th, 7th classes. Okay, this is 5. My answer is 5. Now, here 2. When my abacus value is 0, that time I can do directly 2. No problem. Whenever there is 1, I can do directly 2. Because bits are there. So, whenever there is 3, I cannot do 2. Because here a single bead is there. So, again problem comes to do the 2. So, when problem comes, we should remember 2's friend 3. So, I want to do 2. So, I could not do 2. So, 2's friend is 3. Plus 5 minus 3. Again here hand movement comes from up to down. So I will take this example. Whenever there is 3, I could not do 2. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. So one more, this 3 I done and this 2 I have to do. But I cannot do 2 here because single only one bead is there. So I have to remember 2's friend. 2's friend is plus 5 minus 3. This is plus 5 minus 3. At a stretch. Plus 5 minus 3. Plus 5 minus 3. Say and do it. Plus 5 minus 3. By doing plus 5 minus 3, what you have done? 2 you have done. Plus 5 minus 3. So my answer is 5 here. Okay, now plus 1 is remaining. So how to do 1 here when the abacus value is 0? My abacus value is now 0. So I have to do 1. Directly 1, 1, 1, 1 I can do. You have to do complete abacus. I have done only in 5 rods. Okay. So when there is 0, I can do very easily 1. When there is 1, then also I can do very easily 1, 1, 1, 1. Because beads are there. Sufficient beads are there. So again 2 is there. Then also I can do 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. Then again when there is 3, that time also if I want to do 1, I can do 1. Why? Because one single bead is there. No problem. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. When there is 4, I want to do one more 1. Like this here. Example. 4 plus 1. 4 I have done here. But one more 1 I cannot do. So I cannot do means what I should do? 1's friend. You should remember. 1's friend is 4 here. Minus. And that these friends we have to do all minus. So plus 5 minus 1 like this here. Plus 5 minus 1. Plus 5 minus 1. Plus 5 minus 1. Means what I am doing here? Plus 1 I am doing actually. Plus 5 minus 1. Plus 5 minus 1. Why? Because directly I cannot do means I have to use the formula and do it. So you know this all. If you are not getting it, go to 5th, 6th behind classes. Till 7th class, be perfect and then you can understand the next. So this plus I have revised once. Now I am going to teach you this minus. Here, minus. For minus, what you have to do, I will rub this and I will take this only one example. Take down this first formulas. Because after this next class, I am going to, after 2-3 days, some little early only, I am going to give you the next video. So, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, I am going to give. But today I am going to teach you minus 4. So, take down these formulas. This is for plus. Already you have learned this. Now, you are going to learn this. This is also small friend. Minus small friend these are. Minus small friend. After this we will go for big friend. First we will learn this minus 4. Okay, take down this all. So I will rub this and take this. Because I have to keep the abacus here. Okay. So small friend minus small friend. That is minus 4. We are going to learn today. Minus 4 is equal to what? Plus 1 minus 5. Now our hand movement will go from down to up. For this example, you will get for this formula, you will get 5 minus 4. This example, 6 minus 4, 7 minus 4, then 8 minus 4. 4 examples will come for this formula. Okay. So how to do this, I'll tell you. So for remember this. For plus formulas, plus small friend, your hand movement was from up to down. Up to down. Now your hand movement will go from down to up. Listen here. So whenever there is 8, 9, suppose you will take 9. So when there is 9, how to do minus 4? Directly, so simple. 9 chocolates are there, 4 chocolates I will eat, 5 chocolates will remain, like this. Directly minus I can do it. But whenever there is 8, I cannot do minus 4. Or whenever there is direct only 4 is there, then also I can do directly minus 4, minus 4, minus 4, minus 4. Directly I can do. But when there is 8, this example I am doing, taking this one. So 8. So when there is 8, I want to do 8 minus 4. But I cannot do minus 4 here. Can I do here minus 4? Why I cannot do? Because here only 3 bits are there. So bits are less. So how to do minus then? How to do minus 4? So that time we have to remember the formula. Minus 4 is equal to plus 1 minus 5. So how to do this? Plus 1 we have to take up like this. Hold pencil, plus 1 minus 5. Push this 5 up. Plus 1. This also went up. This also went up. Means our hand movement will go from down to up like this. So plus 1 minus 5. Say plus 1 minus 5. 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 Practice this. Full complete abacus 10 times. Okay. So my answer is 4. So see here. 8 chocolate. 8 chocolate minus 4 chocolates. Means I have got 8 chocolates. I will eat 4 chocolates. How many chocolates are remaining? 4 chocolates. So answer is 4 for this. You got it? My answer is 4. Like this, again, if this example I will take, 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4 means if there is 7 laddus are there. So I want to eat 4 laddus. See here, 7 laddus are there means I want to eat 4 means 4 I have to minus, isn't it? So can I minus here 4 directly? No. Why? Because bits are less. Again, don't worry, bits are less means who is 4's friend? Minus 4's friend. Minus 4's friend is plus 1. So like this, plus 1 minus 5. Plus 1 minus 5. That means what you are doing here? Minus 4 you are doing here. Plus by doing plus 1 minus 5, you are doing minus 4. This one. Plus 1 minus 5. Plus 1 minus 5. So 7 laddus are there. If I eat 4 laddus means 3 laddus will remain here. This is 3. Answer is 3 for this. So complete abacus you have to set 7 first. Then do it minus 4. By saying this formula plus 1 minus 5 plus 1 minus 5 like this. Say and do it. Now I will take this example. 6 minus 4. 6. So 6 is there. 6. Again what will take? Chocolates over pedas will take. Okay. 6 pedas minus 4. Teacher like more sweet, isn't it? So 6 minus 4. So how to do minus 4 here? I cannot do minus 4, isn't it? Directly, because only one bit is there. Only one bit is there means again I am in problem. Again I am in problem means tell me what to do. You know this formula. Minus 4. I could not do this minus 4. Means what I have to do? Plus 1 minus 5. So plus 1 minus 5. 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 So from 6 pedas, if I leave 4 pedas, how many pedas will remain? 2. This answer is 2. Okay. And then this last example I will take. Now 5 is there. 5 from 5 I want to do minus 4. I want to do minus 4 means can I do here minus 4? No. Here a single bead is also not there. So I cannot do minus 4. So I cannot do minus 4 means what I have to do? I have to remember again this formula. So plus 1 minus 5. Same thing again do it like this. Plus 1. Hold pencil always. Plus 1 minus 5. Sorry. Plus 1 minus 5. At a stretch. This also you have to bring up. Push minus 5. Plus 1 minus 5. Plus 1 minus 5 our formula. Plus 1 minus 5. So my answer is 1. 5 minus 4 how much? 1. My answer is 1. I hope you understood this. Answer is 1 for this. So now these examples, I'll rub these answers. How many examples are there for this minus 4? Bacho? How many? Tell me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 examples are there. These are first set 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Complete abacus. Then do minus 4. How to do minus 4? Plus 1 minus 5. Plus 1 minus 5 like this. 10 times you have to practice this. Then afterward go for 6. 6, 6, 6 you have to set like this. 6, 6, 6. Then plus 1 minus 5. Plus 1 minus 5. Plus 1 minus 5 like this. So you have to do it. Then 7, 7 you set it. Then again plus 1 minus 5. This example also all examples 10 times you have to practice. On this I will give some sums for you in the next class. Next class means within shortly I will give you the next class. So till then you practice this. Because now lockdown is there, you have to practice 20 times you can practice. So it is nice. And otherwise if you are not getting, means you are free means you can practice 6th, 7th class more perfectly again. So shortly in this week only I am going to give you the sums on this. Again then minus 3, minus 2, minus 1 that all will learn fast in this lockdown. Okay. Bye bye bachcho. All the best.